Frustrated by the Adobe Graphics Manager DLL error causing Adobe Systems to hang? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll help you resync those external dependencies today. Before we dive into the Adobe Graphics Manager troubleshooting, a resource for system environment optimization is available below. This is the Adobe Graphics Manager. The Adobe Graphics Manager, AGM, is a proprietary 2D graphics engine used across the Creative Cloud suite. It handles the rendering of vector paths, gradients, and professional typography. A missing Agm.dll prevents Photoshop or Acrobat from loading their primary workspace, resulting in a failed-to-load core component error. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. Because Adobe Graphics Manager DLL is required by Adobe Systems to initialize correctly, a standard repair is needed. Reinstalling the official version of Adobe Systems ensures all required application DLLs are restored to their proper paths. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Adobe Graphics Manager file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. To fix persistent errors with integrated libraries, you must ensure a clean file sync, and you should use a dedicated uninstaller to remove the host program along with its registry keys. Following this with a fresh installation of your software components ensures that the DLL file is properly mapped for the host program to run. Why are we doing this? Well, residual registry entries can point the software to the wrong file path, and a complete removal ensures that the new installation is correctly indexed by the operating system. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Avoid the trap of unofficial file repositories for Adobe Graphics Manager DLL, as these platforms are frequently utilized to distribute persistent browser hijackers and unwanted adware. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. If library alerts are present, the system resource below offers informational guidance on managing Adobe Graphics Manager dependencies. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching Adobe Graphics Manager today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.